Super good news mga kabayan, Australia magbibigay ng karagdagang mga drone at underwater system sa Pilipinas na nagkakahalaga ng 3 million Australian dollar FA-50, armado ng mga misal at bomba, sabay-sabay na lumipad upang masigurong ligtas ang teritoryo at mga nasasakupan ng Pilipinas. Brazil, nagpadala ng malaking eroplano sa Pilipinas. Gustong ibenta ng Brazil ang kanilang KC-390 Millennium. Professor J. Batong Bakal, may minsay kay Senator Mark Oleta, dapat na magsorry ang senador sa mga Pilipino. China, tinatarget na rin palang makuha o agawin ang Batanes at Palawan.
To give up a portion of your territory para wala ng gulo. I think that was the term that was used. So para wala ng gulo. What's to prevent others, therefore, na manggugulo sa ibang parte ng territory mo and then expect you to give it up? So, if you give them this, they'll start, manggugulo na yan sa iba. Like Batanes, even Palawan itself. No? Manggugulo na lang yan. Dahil they know na ayaw mo ng gulo, i-give up mo lang naman.
Nakikisaw-saw sa issue ng Amerika at Iran. Mga lokasyon ng mga military assets ng Amerika sa Middle East, inilahad ng China. F-15 ng Amerika na nakadeploy sa bansang Jordan, kargado ng maraming missiles. FA-50 fighter jets ng Pilipinas tuloy-tuloy ang pagbabantay sa himpapawid ng Pilipinas. 3 sa mga FA-50 Fighting Eagle ng 5th Fighter Wing ang armado ng mga misal at bomba at kargado ng malalaking fuel tank para sa malayuang misyon. Sinisiguro ng Philippine Air Force ang seguridad ng mga teritoryo at nasasakupan ng Pilipinas. Bansang Brazil ipinadala ang kanilang dambuhalang eroplanong KC-390 sa Pilipinas. Lumapag ang nasabing eroplano ng Brazil sa Clark Airport kahapon. Layunin ng kumpanyang Embraer na siyang supplier ng mga A-29B Super Tucano na ibenta ang kanilang KC-390 Millennium, isang multi-mission medium airlift at pwedeng gawing isang tanker. Australia muling magbibigay ng mga drone at underwater technology sa Pilipinas. Ito ang rason kung bakit kailangan natin ng mga kaalyado tulad ng Australia, Japan at Amerika dahil sa kanilang tulong sa pagpalakas ng depensa ng Pilipinas.
We're also giving them equipment. We've provided $1 million worth of drones last year. We made a commitment to provide another $3 million worth of drones and underwater
this year.
technologies. And there
The Australian
continue to be maritime cooperative activities. And we continue to have conduct exercises, whether here or in Australia. Australia will be participating in Baikatan this year. So there's a range of practical training and exercises, as well as public statements where necessary when we are confronted with, or you're confronted, or jointly or individually confronted with concerning behaviour in the South China Sea area.
Samantala sa gitnang silangan, China, pilit na nakikisawsaw sa Iran at Amerika. Tinutulungan ng China ang Iran upang malaman ng Iran Revolutionary Guard Corps ang lokasyon ng mga military assets ng Amerika na nakaposisyon sa gitnang silangan. Ipinakita ng mga larawan na kuha ng satellite ang mga eroplanong pangmilitar ng Amerika sa base militar nito sa Qatar kapag nagkamali ang China at may nasaktan sa mga Amerikano. Dahil dito, lagot sila kay President Trump. Sa ibang balita naman, Professor J. Batong Bakal, may minsay para kay Senator Mark Oleta. Dapat na humingi ng sorry ang senador sa mga Pilipino sa mga binitawan nitong pahayag na ibigay na lang ang KIG upang makaiwas sa gulo sa China. Ayon sa profesor, hindi ito ang solusyon. Ano ang magiging garantiya na ito lamang ang nais makuha ng China? Dahil maging ang Palawan at Batanes pala ay target na rin sa opinion.
If you're willing to give up a portion of your territory para wala ng gulo, I think that was the term that was used. So para wala ng gulo. What's to prevent others, therefore, na manggugulo sa ibang parte ng territory mo and then expect you to give it up? So, if you give them this, they'll start, manggugulo na yan sa iba, like Batanes, even Palawan itself, no? Manggugulo na lang yan dahil they know na ayaw mo ng gulo, i-give up mo lang naman. So, that's why you have to stand firm. That's why you should not even suggest this, no?
Yeah.
Yun. And we know, based on observations sa Chinese social media, they're now really interested in Palawan and Batanes. They moved the 9-dash line inward inside the Sulusina, and they're claiming that Palawan used to be Shenghe Island. So bagong fantasy na naman yan. No? So what? In the future, yun ba? Pag ginulo nila yun, you're going to give it up. Di ba? So that's why you cannot
Institutions.
accept that kind of
And
thing.
gusto
Their
ko lang
southernmost island was Hainan Island. But it started moving. Di ba? Ngayon, nasa Sprat list na. Nasa Calayan Island group na. So, you can already imagine na
Yeah.
if you give in now,
So it's dangerous.
in the future, mag-move na naman yan. No? And it's all, in their social media, it already has started moving. No? So that's why it's really unacceptable to even suggest. Siguro ang
Now,
isa
I mean,
siguro, yeah, I think yan isang mahalagang tanong yan kasi nga these are legalities eh. This is about international law, this is about legal concepts and no one says. So maaring hindi alam yan talaga ng mga Pinoy, no? Kaya useful din nagkakaroon ka ng ganitong show, ganitong activities to educate them, no?
Oo.
So I think there has been a lot of effort now into that, no? And that's why there was an announcement that West Philippine Sea will now become part of the curriculum. So hopefully maayos yan, no? And the thing is, habang ginagawa natin yan, hindi pwede yung ganitong nanggugulo ka ng usapan. Kumbaga, isa sa publiko mo, no, you put it out in public that you don't know and then make it appear that the government does not know because you're an official of government, di ba? You might end up being seen as representing the government's position and thinking, and that's very dangerous. That's good as far as the official record
Now-
is concerned. The thing is, it's already happened. It's already been seen. It's recorded. It's on the internet. The internet is forever. It's a full video, no alteration. So, ang hirap ng i-walk back yon. I would think that the better way to do it would be to apologize for those kinds of remarks, no, and make clear, no, that whatever he said or whatever implications he said, no, does not bind the government. That's why that's very important because it has created all this controversy and talk, no, and it's even led to further prolonging this discussion and debate, no. So I think that should be the minimum as well.
All right, last
Admittedly,
word.
the rights and entitlements of the Philippines, both to its land and its waters, no, these are complicated issues. They're not your everyday coffee table conversations, no. But I would probably just caution, no, especially people in government, especially high officials in government, not to talk about it so loosely, no? Especially if they're not sure, especially if they're not legal matters. No. Ano ba naman mawag muna sila sa DOJ or NAMRIA? Can you clarify this first? No? Other countries are watching us. Other countries are talking about this, I'm sure, especially those who want to take what we regard as ours. And they're going to be laughing, no? Look, if your own government officials do not know
Or confused.
or they're confused, how can you even have any rights to this? So siguro amin na talaga yan, no? Yun. So that's why we have to be very careful.
Laban Pinas.